Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're going to be making chicken panini. It's got spinach and cream cheese and other cheeses and all kinds of stuff in it. So, I guess, I don't know what chicken and, so I think it's called creamy chicken and spinach panini. So, alright. Most of my recipes come from, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, but this one was sent to me, referred to me by a friend of mine from a website. I don't even remember what website it was, but I will post a picture of the recipe at the end. I screenshotted it. So, let's get over here and get to cooking. Alright, y'all. Get this recipe started. I've got some leftover chicken. I cooked it up yesterday. It was about 3 cups. I just did it in the air fryer. You can do it however you want. But we need to preset the oven to 375. So we got that going. And we need to saute up some onion. It says 1 medium onion. So I'm going to use some frozen chopped onion, probably roughly a cup, maybe a little more. Get a little more onion in it. So I got my butter warming up here, and I got a 10 ounce package of spinach over cooking in the microwave. So get all that done, and I also got my 8 ounces of penne pasta. It's all cooked. It's just chilling and waiting on standby. So. Let me get this onion all sauteed up, and we'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all. We're ready to throw this concoction together. So, I'm going to start out. We're going to put our penne in the bottom of our pan. And then we're going to take cream cheese, 1 whole block of it. I'll throw it in. Because we want to get that start melting. Get as much of it off there as you can. You want all that goodness in there. Alright, good enough. Now we'll take our spinach, throw it in there because it's good and hot. Our onion, it's good and hot. So start mixing that up until that cream cheese gets all melty. I've had that cream cheese sitting out for a while. Oh, our oven's ready. So just get that cream cheese all melty in there. Escaping pasta. We're going to mix that around until it kind of coats everything. But we're going to go ahead and add our chicken. And 1 can of Italian style diced tomatoes. I'm going to drain the juice off of it. You know what? It didn't say to drain it, so we're going to add juice and all. So, alright. See if we can get all that mixed in here. Get it all mixed together. Get everything coated with everything else. Try to keep things from escaping out of the pan. Alright. Get our noodles back in there. Try to get this corner mixed up here. Just trying to make sure that everything's well blended. I could have used a big mixing bowl, but it is what it is. Oh, we got a big thing of spinach. Spinach! Alright, I think that looks pretty dang good. What do you all think? Think it looks well mixed? As I keep mixing. I'm just looking for big chunks of cream cheese, so. Alright. Like that right there. That's a. Alright. Quit mixing, quit playing. Get this smooched out. One level entity here. And the last thing we need to do, clean our spoon off. I guess our spatula. Spoonchula. Alright. Now, we're going to take 2 cups, approximately, of mozzarella, and just sprinkle it over the top. Take a little shot over here. Okay. There's that. Now, last thing we're going to... Oh, we got some chicken and spinach escaping over there. Get in there. Alright. Anyways. Cover this aluminum foil. Put her in the oven. We're going to bake it at 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melty and it's warmed through. So, I'm going to get that done. And then after that's done, take the foil off and bake it for another 5 to 7 minutes until the cheese is brownish. So I'm going to get that done. We'll bring you guys back then. Alright, y'all. It's been that 20 minutes or so. Get that out of there. Take a peek at her. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh. A little bit of cheese stuck to the foil, but other than that, she looks pretty good. So, yeah, we'll slap her back in the oven for about 5-6 minutes. I think it says 5 to 7, so finish melting that cheese in there, and then I think we're good, golden to eat. So, bring you guys right back. Alright, y'all, there's after the 5 minutes of continued baking. The cheese is all nice and melty. A little bit of brown around the edges. Looks perfect. I did garnish it with a little bit of Italian seasoning just to make it look pretty. It's not nothing you have to do. But, yeah, so I'm going to let this cool for a few, and then we'll do our taste test. Alright, y'all. Let's, this stuff's cooled down. Let's, see if we can't get some out of here and in a bowl, and see if we can enjoy it. See how it tastes. Smells delicious. Ooh. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Yeah. So, all right. Let's do our taste test. All right, y'all. Got our bowl of pasta here. So, all right. Let's give her a whirl here. See how she tastes. That's really good. Yeah. Pretty good stuff. I like it. So, alright. Alright, y'all. There you go. Creamy chicken and spinach penne. I think that's how you say it. Penne. So, Hope you guys liked it. Hope you're going to try it. If you do, please leave me a comment down there and let me know how you liked it. And please like, comment, subscribe. And that's all for today. So, as always, bon appetit.